Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video, I wanna show you how to stop Windows 10 update permanently. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay guys, if you want to stop Windows 10 update permanently, simply follow my steps. We have here two methods. The first one, go to your search bar in your Windows 10 as you can see here. Type control panel as you can see. Okay, that's it. Click here. Here guys, in the top view by category, select large icons. Okay, now administrative tools, select this one simply. Okay guys, here select services, that's it. Okay, double click or right click, open. Okay, now guys, search for Windows Update Service. Okay, Windows Update Service. Okay, scroll down. That's it, Windows Update. Right click, properties. Okay guys, first of all, click stop running this service. Okay, wait a moment. Also in startup type, select disabled, then click apply. Okay, when you finish, click close. Okay, close. That's it guys, it's the first method. Now let's take the second method to stop Windows update. Okay, the second method guys, you should go to your run command, go in your search bar in Windows 10, type run. Okay, that's it. Okay, here guys, type this command, gp edit.msc. okay guys, here in computer configuration, go to administrative templates as you can see here. Okay, in the Windows components, expand, scroll down to Windows Update. Okay, also that's it, as you can see here, Windows Update. In the right side, search for automatic update. Okay, configure automatic update. That's it guys. Okay, right click, edit. Here guys, to stop automatic updates, select the third option, disabled. Okay, when you finish, click apply. Okay, that's it guys. Now the automatic update will be disabled, so don't forget to restart your Windows 10 to apply this new settings for stop Windows update. Okay, that's it guys, it's so easy. Also guys, another thing, if you want to postpone your Windows update and not disable permanently, simply you can do that by click in your start menu, as you can see, settings, okay, select update and security. Here guys, in the Windows update option, as you can see, look at pause update for 7 days. As you can see, you can pause your update for 7 days, or also you can go to advanced options, pause until, okay, you can select from here the day you want to postpone, Friday, Saturday, etc. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. It's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.